Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Candy Dips, and then we're going to use some really cute sunflower decals. We're going to be creating a sunflower field mani today using the sunflower field set from Candy Dips. We are going to do a little bit of color blocking today, but nothing too crazy. We're not going to do like anything like crazy like we did with like that really fun color blocking nail art that we did, which by the way, I had so much fun doing. We're just going to keep it simple today because this set right here of the sunflower fields consists of 4 beautiful colors. I am implementing that white hot just to make that like an accent nail for the decal, but I really wanted to implement as many colors from the sunflower field set as I could because they are all so gorgeous. So right now we are using this beautiful blue here. It is everything. I love blues and yellows together. And then to make it even better, we're adding a little bit of brown to it, and then this gorgeous glitter that has all the colors combined, and you're going to see that here in action. But we're going to dive right into this mani here, and then throughout the mani you're going to see me applying some more tape to the nails to do some color blocking. So sit back, relax, enjoy this mani process, and then I'm going to pop back in just a little bit. All right, so you're probably wondering why I put a piece of tape over that yellow line. I wanted to keep that yellow as vibrant as possible, and working with darker colors, I like to protect the lighter color, so that's why I put a piece of tape on there to protect that beautiful yellow. Now we're going to go ahead and use White Hot, which is by far the perfect white, and it glows in the dark, which is fantastic. Also, the yellow Sunflower also glows in the dark, so we have a little bit of glow going on with this mani, which I love a glow mani. It's like best of both worlds, right? The glow is just unreal when it comes to that White Hot. If you need a white color and you love glow, this white is gonna be your jam. It is a pure white, and it's not chalky or anything like that. So now we're gonna get into filing and buffing, and this is all I had to do with this mani. Even with those glitters, the Sunflower Fields is laying really flat to the nail, and I'm just cleaning up the sidewalls and the free edge, and that is it. If you needed to go ahead and file and buff on top of those glitters, what you would do is do a layer of gel base, cure it for 30 seconds, and then a layer of gel top coat, cure for 60 seconds, and then you can go ahead and buff the top of those glitters. That will give you this layer of protection, because gels do not like clear dip powder, so you never want to encapsulate your glitters with clear when you're using the gel method. All right, so I went ahead now and applied gel base to that white nail, and I cured it for 30 seconds. That's going to give us this tacky layer to help this decal lay really flat to the nail. And then I placed that decal in room temperature water for about 20 seconds, and I'm using a jelly stamper here. So originally I was going to place this decal off to the side, and then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna have it cover the entire nail. So I am gently, and I mean gently, moving this decal around, and I love this decal. It is so fun. It kind of ties in all of the colors. It has some plaid leaves and some leopard print leaves on this flower. And now I'm taking a flat brush here with a little bit of acetone. I like using the Onyx acetone. It's a little bit more forgiving on these decals and a lot easier to work with. And you want to make sure that if you are using acetone, you're not using any of them that have like strengthener in them for your cuticles or your nails or anything like that. You want to make sure it's pure acetone. So I will link that flat brush and that acetone in the description box below. It is like the perfect combination. Now I'm applying a layer of gel base on that other nail we're going to place a decal on. I thought it'd be really fun to place that sunflower decal on the sunflower yellow of this nail, like on a diagonal. And don't forget, I did cure that nail for 30 seconds before we go ahead and apply this decal. Now I'm just going to use this jelly stamper. I like using a jelly stamper because I can really see where I'm placing that decal, and then you can really just kind of get it to the best where you want it, and then you can wiggle it around and straighten it out. But the jelly stamper works really good, and it also helps get some of those air bubbles and lines out, so then you have more of a smoother application. And again, I'm just cleaning up that extra decal that's hanging over the edge there, and then I'm gonna gently with a light hand dab that flat brush over that decal to remove any air bubbles or lines. Again, you want to be very gentle because you do not want to dig into that decal, and you do not want to start dissolving that decal either if you go in with a hard hand. Then to seal in everything, we're going in with a layer of gel base, and we're going to cure that for 30 seconds. And then I'm also going to go ahead and then do a coat of gel top coat, and then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. And I did the top coat off camera, but how gorgeous is this mani? I love it so much. It's not full-blown fall. It's like the perfect autumn transition mani. We have that beautiful blue and yellow, and then that gorgeous chestnut, which is by far the perfect brown. I love it. Has like a slight red undertone to it. It is amazing. And that yellow sunflower, it is a pure yellow. It is not chalky or patchy or anything like that. It is beautiful, and just that gorgeous glitter too to really pull in all those colors. This set right here, the Sunflower Field set, is amazing, and you definitely need this in your life. Don't forget that that yellow also glows in the dark, and I just love how this turned out. It is so pretty, and I really like that sunflower decal that we did there. It has like the plaid leaves you can see in the petals, and then we have that leopard print, and I love how it looks on the white background and the yellow, so you can see best of both worlds. But I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below, including these decals. But I am so in love with this set from Candy Dips, and I just had so much fun creating it. We threw in a lot of different elements today with a lot of different colors and decals and color blocking, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.